Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. This is based on the lot of questions I am getting about the Pgcet 2023 next steps and what are the important things they should remember or they should prepare themselves for the next round of activities. So this video is about that. So after the entrance test, the first thing which will happen is basically the answer key which will be published by KEA, right? So you are getting unofficial answer keys, but the official answer key is supposed to be published in first 3 days. So by that it will be done by tomorrow night or maximum Thursday night, right? So before that answer key should be out, and that will be very helpful for you to actually get the an idea about the total marks you are getting. And the second important point is that the candidates, parents and lecturers can then file their objections, if any, right, within the next 3 days, which are after the keys are published, right? And when they're submitting the any objection, they should provide the complete supporting document and justification, right? And objections filed by candidates without justification will not be at all considered, and they will also give the timelines within which that justification has to be raised and supporting document has to be provided. So it has to be filed within that particular duration. The third part is that all the objections received by KEA will be then reviewed by expert committee, and they will declare the final answer key after that. So that those are the initial steps. Before that, results cannot be published. The fourth is that the merit list, right, or the results will be prepared separately for MBA, MCA, ME, MTech and MR courses, right? And it will be completely done on the marks of the Pgcet exam, right? And it will not consider any marks obtained by the qualifying examination, right, which is your graduation degree, right? So it will only consider marks obtained in the Pgcet exam. So the next point is related to that the marks obtained by qualifying exam is only for eligibility, and for the general category candidates it will be 50% marks, and for the SC, ST and the other categories 45% qualifying marks criteria is there. Sixth important part is that the only candidates of Karnataka origin will be able to claim any reservation. So what are the different categories? Like general merit is applicable for students without any reservation, but all other categories, which is SC, ST, category 1, category 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B, etc. will have to produce the certificates, and they have to be coming from Karnataka only. Then only they can claim the reservations. All the candidates, right, must compulsorily produce the study certificate obtained from the heads of the institution where they have passed the 10th standard, SSLC, PUC, degree examination, by mentioning the standards and the academic details, right? So the study certificate is also very important part. It is applicable to all the students of Karnataka. Now, if you are the student from the reserve categories, right, then you should also provide or submit caste income certificate, right? So there are some quotas like SNQ quota where also need income certificate, and for category based, subcategory based reservations also you need income certificate, and this may be issued by Tehsildar in the Form D, which is also provided in the information brochure. You should provide that one. So Form D is for SC, ST, and there is a separate form called Form E, which is for category 1 student, and there is also the Form F, which is also for Form F is for 2A, 2B, 3A, 3B. So there are different Form D, Form E, Form F to be issued by Tehsildar, right, to claim your category or the income benefits. Next is the caste certificate or the income certificate, right? That has to be in the name of the candidates. This is the very common mistake which all the students do, that they get the caste certificate or the income certificate in the name of their parents, which is not correct. All the caste certification or the income certificate should be in the name of the candidate who has applied for Pgcet exam. And after these steps only there will be notification which will come for the start of the counseling once the results are declared. And KEA will also publish the details of all the candidates who have been selected under different reservation categories, right? Which category, which student have been selected, their complete list will be available on the KEA website, and that will be available after the last round of counseling. So there will be 2-3 rounds of counseling minimum, and I'll give more videos about that later. That's all for now, and please do subscribe channel to get similar updates, all the colleges review, placement reviews, as well as the happenings on the KES side.